Hello and welcome back. In this video I'm going to be making a simple stool out of some scrap wood that I have laying around. You can make this out of any kind of material you want and make it as fancy or simple as you'd like by following these steps. Sit back and enjoy the ride. Thank you. As you can see from the video, this is a pretty simple construction. This is about as simple of a stool as you can make. And once again, I was using scrap wood as it just needed to serve a purpose. And I didn't really care as much for looks. However, you could use some nice hardwood, some different accent pieces, and make this really nice, really fancy. So this is a great project to look at because there's so many options. You can make something as simple as this, throwing scrap together, or you can make a really intricate, nice stool that you want to put in your house. This is definitely more of a utility stool with the scrap wood, but the construction's the same. As always, I thank you all for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And let me know down below what you'd like to see me make next. Thank you.